Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to do pork mince wonton for Wun Tun Mein. Two types of preparation. The first one will be a gluten-free version and the second one I'll include seafood in it. So let's get started. We'll start with the ingredients. I've got some pork mince with fat in it, and over here I've finely chopped chives together with scallions and spring onions. I've also chopped some shiitake mushrooms, grated garlic and ginger, and this is just salt with pepper. I'll now start with mixing all the ingredients together, starting off with the ginger and garlic. Then mushrooms go in. Seasoning, the salt and the pepper. It's about 4 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper in there. And finally, the chives and the spring onions, just pour them all in there. Put on a glove, and now I'm going to be mixing it with my hand so that it can be evenly combined. Just get your hands in there. You can turn the bowl around to evenly combine the mixture. The measurement of the ingredients that I used are 2 kg of pork mince, 2 bunches of chives, a large bunch of scallion, 5 shiitake mushrooms, 2 bulbs of garlic grated, and half of a large ginger grated. I've been mixing the mixture for about 5 minutes, and what I'll do now is separate some of the mixture so that I can prepare the gluten-free version. For the gluten-free version, all I'm using is gluten-free soy sauce, the light version, just a little dab, and some sesame oil. Just give that a stir, and this mixture is ready. We won't be using pastry for making wonton. This will be for pork mince meatballs in the Wun Tun Mein soup. Now that's mixed, it's now ready. For the other version, I'm going to add some minced prawns, which I minced earlier. This is about 8 prawns. Just put it into the mixture. I'm also going to add sesame oil, generous amount, soy sauce, and I'm also going to be adding some oyster sauce as well to the mixture. And give all of that a stir. The gluten-free version, instead of using wonton wrappers, this will be made into pork mince meatballs for Wun Tun Mein. And this will be for the wonton wrappers for Wun Tun Mein.